In this video, I'll show you how to add the Google search bar to your Android home screen. This lets you search anything on Google instantly without opening the browser. First, go to your Android home screen. Now tap and hold on any empty area of the home screen. A menu will appear at the bottom. From this menu, tap on Widgets. Inside the Widgets list, scroll down until you find Google. If you don't see Google here, make sure the Google app is installed from the Play Store. Next, tap on Google to expand the widget options. Now look for the widget that says something like Search by Text, Voice, or Camera. Tap on the widget and then tap on Add. Once it's on your home screen, you can tap and hold the search bar and drag it to any location you like. You can even resize it as you like. Now just tap on the Google search bar, type your search, or use voice search, and you're good to go. So that is how you can add the Google search bar on an Android home screen. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.